at these beautiful Panama views out here, y'all. Welcome to Panama. Welcome. Double tap the screen as you coming in. Show some love. We are in Panama. Well, it's not really Panama City. Taboga Island in Panama. Panama City, the country. I mean, Panama, the country, not Panama City, Florida. Out here on a catamaran, chilling. Welcome to Panama, y'all. Can we get some double taps? Can somebody tap the screen? Double tap if this is double tap if Panama is beautiful. Double tap if this is the kind of Tuesday view that we looking for. Double tap if you love water. Oh, not all these text messages coming through. Beyonce. It's the most I ever heard of this song, y'all. I'm just used to hearing that little bit on TikTok. Panama, y'all. Double tap the screen. Please like and share the live. Also, feel free to drop any travel questions that you have. My husband and I are living abroad. We are currently in Panama. We left the United States in February and we have been traveling the globe. So Panama is my 27th country. So let me know what questions y'all have about travel or about living abroad. Ask me anything, y'all. Anything related to travel. Don't get crazy. And please like and share. Y'all being stingy with the hearts today. 5 hearts is crazy. 5 hearts is stingy. Y'all acting like this is IG. Y'all out here giving IG energy. Let me know where y'all at IG. Y'all out here giving IG energy. Let me know where y'all at in the world. IG energy. Let me know where y'all at in the world. I am currently in Panama. Where are y'all at? Drop your location. Drop what time it is. I'm like, shit, and I'm always in service. I mean, I'm literally out here on the whole ocean and shit. Hey, May. Welcome. Thank you for dropping a comment. They being so stingy in here today. Ain't nobody double tapping. Ain't nobody saying nothing. It's just everybody here giving me this Instagram energy. This lurking energy. I'm like, what is it? Damn, y'all want to talk to me today? Rude. Y'all said we just want to look at Panama. I don't blame you. It's beautiful out here. But now what? Because now you got me. Now what? Now what? I'm just playing. I'm just fucking with y'all. New York, 4:30. Okay, end of the workday. End of the workday. Yes, East Coast in the house. West Coast, y'all better clap back. I better clap back. We got 2 East Coast. I'm North Carolina, so we got 3 East Coast in the house. Thank you for the hearts, April. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. I tried to get the net in the front, y'all, so I could give y'all the front row view, but they got it before I did. Do you live there? I am living here as of right now. April, thank you for the rose. I appreciate you. It's hot as shit out here, y'all. Like, when I tell you it is hot, it is hot. Thank y'all so much for the hearts. I appreciate it. We just vibing out here, y'all. This was my first ever catamaran. So this is my first time ever doing this like net shit. It's cool, but I had to sit on my swimsuit cover because when I say that net will literally be digging in your ass, like you get up, your butt got a whole pattern. It'd be crazy. I know he's not over there smacking her butt. Sir, you are not in your bedroom. We are in public. I need you to relax. No, this music did not just go to Miley Cyrus. God dang, this sun is crazy. It feels like fall here in New York. Damn, already? It's not like crazy hot there. You're living it. Thank you, April. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. And the Jay-Z song is on. It costs a lot to live there. I'm in California. Costs a lot to live there. I'm in California thinking about in Panama. I mean, compared to California, definitely not. But compared to other Latin American countries, Panama is more on the expensive side. Ow, damn. I didn't realize how much that shit was killing my side. No, ma'am, it gets in the mid-50s. Good boy. Hey, Z. Wait, how did I forget about you? I am so sorry. It's bright out here, y'all. I got on these sunglasses. I can barely see these damn comments. But I'm trying. I got on my little hat. I need my big hat. This sun is sunning, okay? So we rented a catamaran. My friend Courtney is here for her 35th birthday. And so her, my sister Felicia, and our friend Mia is here. Hi, Z. It is, oh girl, it's so gorgeous out here. Like, I cannot even, y'all, this is nothing like where we were going. I'm trying to get y'all a better view, but y'all know I gotta be mindful of my damn phone and all that. But, yeah, like I said, I try to get y'all a better view. I was gonna sit up there in the first net, but it's all good, Z. But they got it there before I did. So we chilling back here in the second net. DJ, drop that Kendrick. But yeah, so this was $99, but it was 8 hours, so it's like all day long. It's like open bar, and they do feed you lunch, and they got some little snacks on here too. It's been a vibe, y'all. This water has felt incredible today, like incredible. What y'all doing? Who at work? Who work? Who work? Who is at work? Who is done with work? I took today off. I was like, you know what? 8 to 5 on. Who is at work? Who is done with work? I took today off. I was like, you know what? 8 to 5 on a boat. That sounds like the Tuesday I need in my life right now. I've been working like every day for the past like 8-9 days. Like even like the weekend and stuff. How is the cost of living there? Honestly, it's a little bit closer to the U.S. than I expected. So, like the place we're at, we're paying $750. I lied. Oh my God, $1750. Jesus, I just took off a whole grand. I wish. The apartment that we're in right now is a 2-bedroom. Look at that shit, y'all. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. 31st floor, beautiful views all around, but that's $1750, which I mean is technically cheaper than the US, but it's still a little bit too close for me. We just got off an hour ago. Let's get it, Z. Who else? Which I mean is technically cheaper than the US, but it's still a little bit too close for me. We just got off an hour ago. Let's get it, Z. Who else? Everybody out here chilling. Welcome y'all who are just now joining. Welcome to Panama, where I am on my first ever catamaran, which apparently is a boat where it has this big opening in the middle where there's these nets where people can like lay out. instead of like a regular boat. It's been a vibe. Maria, anyway. Why you gotta be so rude? Why you gotta be so rude? Yo, my arm is burning and I just put on. Yo, my arm is burning and I just put on sunscreen. I'm about to get my big hat because it is blazing. Y'all see that sun? Blazing, baby. Oh my god, y'all. I thought I was gonna be live longer than this, but y'all, it's hot. I can't be holding this phone. My arm is burning. I'm about to go get my big hat and some more sunscreen. But I'm glad I got to give y'all a little glimpse of Panama. It really is. This is beautiful. I'm so glad I came out here. But I'm glad I got to give y'all a little glimpse of Panama. It really is. This is beautiful. I'm so glad I came out here. Shy Shay, I'm in Panama. It is a nice breeze. Shit. Not my phone going to the side like that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's nice as hell out here, y'all. I'm glad y'all get to see a little bit of it. I know this was a short live, but I appreciate y'all who came out here and vibed with me for a little bit. I'm glad y'all get to see a little bit of it. I know this was a short live, but I appreciate y'all who came out here and vibed with me for a little bit. I'm checking my box of live for the day, you feel me?